Now the all schools of Punjab have been open, and now I am in Allied School Chunian Campus. Here students are studying, and here is also adopt their SOPs of the government of the Punjab. Government of Punjab announced the SOPs for the students and the teacher, and now I am in Allied School Chunian Campus. I have a teacher to introduce the schools and also tell us what is the basic necessary and the basic SOP adopted by the Allied School Chunian Campus.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thank you so much. In this pandemic situation of COVID-19, whereas different schools are facing different challenges with respect to health issues, academic issues, and the incomplete curriculum syllabus, government finally announced a smart syllabus, which has been implemented in our school. And after that, with respect to health accordance, government announced the SOPs, which is outstanding. For example, the social distancing, the mask wearing of the students, and the doors that has been implemented on the entrance. These are the much progressive steps that has been taken by the government of Punjab, and really we appreciate it because we have short duration, and in this short duration, the implementation of SOPs in all across different schools of Punjab, it's really appreciable.
What is the basic steps doing by the Allied School Chunian Campus?
Actually, we deal a thorough study of SOPs that was issued by the government of Punjab, and according to this, we the replacements of doors and the sanitized doors, and after that the mask wearing polices, and finally we have established a department that is called Health Accordance Department, and the performance of this department to analyze and judge the health conditions and the followings of SOPs in our schools. We are maintaining the social distancing. We forbidding the students for the handshaking and these kinds of policies, and maintaining the social distancing in our classes. Sanitization is must compulsory on the school level as well as on the individual level. Sanitization must be compulsory for each and every student. And on the other hand, we are also delivering the introductory lectures to our students so that we can motivate them to pursue the SOPs given by the government.
Thank you. Now the teacher said that here is a lot of SOPs adopted by the school, and also the student maintain the social distancing and also wear the mask to protect themselves.